Can I just say, drilling through your car is not the best feeling, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is another very exciting day. We have got another addition for the car. We've got a Maxton V2 front splitter. This is actually a second hand. It's been on an A35 before. It's been on the car for about a month. I bought this off a friend on Instagram. Go give him a follow on Instagram. His Instagram handle is Cal Shack. He's recently just sold his A35, hence why he's getting rid of all of his aftermarket parts. So yeah, I got that off him. It does already have holes in, so it should make our life a little bit easier. Yesterday I went on about reinforcing the splitter because I have heard a lot of news about the Maxton splitters splitting, funny enough, mid-drive or at high speeds. So I went on about reinforcing the underneath of the splitter. I don't know if it's a little bit over the top, but yeah, I went to put fiberglass on on the underneath of the splitter. So I'll show you that now. So there you go. So it is genuine Maxton. There you go, Maxton product. But I put fiberglass around there, and then it goes down to sort of an L shape, and that's the same on the other side, and it goes down. I don't know if that's a little bit over the top, but yeah, I've just done that to, I guess, make the splitter a little bit more sturdy, just to avoid it splitting at high speeds. So yesterday I pretty much just sanded down the underneath of the splitter because it was soft, prepped it, cleaned it, gave everything a wipe, and then got the fiberglass. So the fiberglass kit is called Isopone fiberglass kit, which I've bought from Halfords. It's in a yellow box and it has everything. It has the fiberglass sheets, the resin had a mixing beaker, some popsicle sticks and a brush as well for 12 quid, and there was still a little bit more left as well, so it's quite a good price, 12 quid for that. I cut the fiberglass sheets in sort of strips so I can put it over a little bit easier. So once that was cut in strips, I then laid down a thin layer of activated resin on the splitter, and then I put the fiberglass on, the fiberglass sheet on, and then an activated resin on top of that as well. This is actually the first time I've messed around with fiberglass, so I left it overnight, and now it's all hardened, so it should now be ready to go on the car. We have now lined everything up, happy with the fit, so I put masking tape to now just cut in between, so when I put them both back in together it should be alright. We've lined it up again and I'm happy with the fit. Just gonna attach the double-sided tape, the Gorilla double-sided tape on it, and then stick it in place and then screw. So that is it. We're now all prepped. We've practiced a few times how to put it on, so it should just slot on in one go. And Mabel is starting to take off some of the backside of the double-sided tape. Hopefully this should stop it from splitting, because if it does split, it's going to be one hell of a job trying to take this off. This is horrible. So yeah, 1 minute through, I'm just going to remove all the tapes. Hopefully it holds. Pardon the dirty car, by the way. Ooh, fucking hell, it looks so nice. So we're just going to lower the car and then we'll see the final product. So that is it for the fitting of the Maxton splitters version 2, and oh my god, it is looking so nice. It makes the car look a little bit lower, and I like how it extends out a little bit just to make it a little bit wider as well. It is honestly amazing. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.